How you wake up matters. Many people open their eyes and immediately grab their phone. Messages, news, notifications. But what if you gave yourself one quiet minute first? Here's the practice. When you wake up tomorrow, don't reach for your phone. Keep your eyes closed or half open. Take a gentle breath in and out. Stretch your fingers, your arms, your back. Feel your body waking up. Now, silently say, "Thank you for this day, for this breath, for this moment." Take another breath. Feel the quietness inside you. Carry this calm into your morning before the noise, the rush, the tasks. 1 minute for yourself and your whole day shifts. This is Breathing Way. See you tomorrow.